Hello everyone, welcome to Arduino Complete course. My name is Dave and I am going to be your instructor throughout this course. I am an electronics and communication engineer with a lot of interest in AI and robotics. Hey, in this course, I will try to share my knowledge with all of you. Now let me introduce you to this course. So it's a complete Arduino course in which you will learn everything practically. I have analyzed hundreds of students and after taking their feedbacks, I have designed this course. A most common problem students get when they try to learn Arduino is lack of practical knowledge and experience. They easily get theoretical lectures and notes and study materials, but even after that, they find it hard to create any project all by their own. So after understanding all these issues, we have tried to create a course that will help you in every possible way. Here we will move step by step from very basic elements like how to code with Arduino to how we can create our own mobile controlled or even voice controlled robots. And every single concept is explained with practical demonstrations. There are 30 plus projects in this course. Even if you haven't seen Arduino or any electronic component, still you will find our course map very comfortable. I have focused on every possible need of a student and tried to include everything in this course. If you did not have hardware components, that's also not a problem here. I will teach you how you can learn Arduino virtually by using simulation. In the next videos, let me explain you that what's inside this course, why we need to learn Arduino and how it all works, like creating a robot. So I hope you will give it a try and I can assure you that by the end of this course, you can create any kind of robotic project all by your own. And once you finish the course, you will also be certified. So this is all about the introduction video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.